Hey everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. In today's video, we are continuing from our uh, previous session, part 9. Now we'll clearly understand aging and bucket analysis using simple Excel logic and real business examples. What is aging? Aging simply means gap or difference between 2 days. There are two common scenarios where we calculate aging, where when two dates are available. For example, invoice date and order date is there. So this gives us what is aging? Aging is giving us order date minus invoice date. This gives us the number of days between the two dates. When only one date is available, sometimes we only have one date, either invoice or either due date or order date. So we can calculate aging using today function equal to today minus invoice date. Right now, let's do it here. I already calculated so that it will. I will cover and the time will be lesser, right? So here I've created aging here equal to d2 order date minus invoice date. We got the aging days here, right? And the second thing is aging bucketization. What we did, how, what is bucketization? Bucketization means grouping values into ranges so analysis become easier. So here we use ifs function here. So the logic behind this is 0 to 10 is good, and 10 to 20 is moderate, and greater than 20 is bad. Well, yeah, we use the ifs function equal to ifs and logic here and logical operator. So ifs and E2 is, and G2 is greater equal to 0 and G2 is less than 10, then it will show as good. And if it is G2 greater equal to 10 and less than 20, it will show as moderate. If G2 greater equal to 20, it shows bad. So this is a type of bucketization we did, and the same thing uh, we did it for amount bucketization. So now let amount bucketization is exactly similar to aging bucketization. Instead of dates, here we work with amount values. We'll use the ifs function here. Let's assume column E. Column E is this amount, and here if it is less than equal to 1 lakh, we'll write it as less than 1. And if it is greater than 1 lakh, and if it is between 1 to 2, we'll write it like 1 to 2 lakh. If it is greater equal to 2 lakh, then we'll write it as greater equal to 2 lakh, right? Like this. Not simple, readable, widely used in sales and finance dashboards. What have we done? Calculated aging days we did, aging bucketization we did, amount bucketization. And see one more thing, uh, the this formatting of conditional formatting we are covering here now. If we need some visually powerful using conditional formatting, if you want to do, how we can do that? So here we have to click here in conditional formatting, highlight cells and go to more rules. Here format only cells that contain uh, equal to cell value is equal to, we can give, if it is moderate we can give that one. If it is, so every time we have to do the same thing. So three times we have to uh, do this conditional formatting, right? So right now we already have done this. We can check it using this one, manage rules. So here I have created the rule, right? Okay. So good is green and this is moderate and this is if it is bad like this. So these are the simple steps. I did it. So Excel also provides data bars, color scales, icon sets. Each of these is useful based on the data and business requirement. So we did aging, difference between dates, bucketization, grouping data into ranges, ifs function, best function for buckets, conditional formatting, visual insights. These concepts are heavily used in reporting, uh, operations role, and MIS reporting, and in Power BI and Excel reporting as well. Kindly connect with me and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that I can create many more analytics focused videos for you. See you in the next